How to customize the product page on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss exactly how to do that and the things that you can actually do with this. So to get started, you simply just want to log into your Shopify admin, online store, themes, and just click on edit theme. Once you do that, you simply just want to head on over to the default product page. Simply click on the top, click on products, and click on default product. Now this is usually how it's going to look like for you by default, and you can feel free to start customizing things. Now these sections, if you click on any of these sections, you're going to have some options on the left side, and you can change a lot depending on the options available, especially the colors. So let's just go ahead and get the colors right away. We can find in each section the color scheme option, and if we click on any color scheme, we can just select, for example, scheme 5, and it's just going to change the color of that section. So let's just go and increase the padding like so. And you can do the same thing for the rest of these sections. If you want to create a new scheme or a different color scheme, you can just go to theme settings, colors, and you can create a new scheme from there. Next, we can start actually adding some sections to make things a little bit more interesting. Now, I need to note that with product pages, you don't really want to cram things up too much because mainly, you don't want to distract the customer. They want to actually see the media, they want to see the description, and mainly the buy buttons and add to cart. These are very important to be right in their face. You don't want to have anything else covering that on the top. So for example, a bad practice would be adding a hero banner on the product page here. So it's just going to make things a little bit more cramped up, and people are not going to notice the buy buttons right away. So instead, what do? We can just go to the bottom here and add a section at the bottom. So we can do that by just doing add section here, or we can just find the plus icon here at the bottom and click on add section. Some things that we can add are, there's plenty that you can actually add here, but we can go, for example, for an FAQ page, or sorry, section. So we can just click on FAQ. And this does not necessarily have to be about this specific product. It could be for the general store, basically. So for example, what is the return policy is a good one, and so on. So you can feel free to customize this to your liking. But still, you can't really add specifics. For example, if you want to add an image with text, you can't really do that in the default product page because if we insert the image, it's only going to be this static image. So for that case, we are just going to be adding in the default product page only the things that are general. So you don't have to be specific with one product. Like icons with text, for example. This does not have to be specific for one product. We can actually just go ahead and move it to the top a little bit. So right above the FAQ section. And this can be general, so for all your products. So we can just add some things here that describe our products in a good way. And obviously you can, again, just feel free to really adjust everything in here. Even the icons, just go in and click on them and select a different one if you want to. And let's just go and click on save on the top right. So this did make our product page look a little bit better. But what if we want to have custom product pages for each product, and it's going to have a specific one that looks great for that product? We can actually go ahead and do that by clicking on the default product page on the top. Again, click on products, but this time we want to click on create template. Go ahead and give it the name of the product that you want to create this template for. And based on it should be on the default product. Click on create template. And now what we want to do is actually just customize this to make it so that it's suitable for one specific product, in this case, red. So what we can do here is actually go ahead and click on first change, just so we can see it a little bit better. Choose the proper product. And then from here, I'm just going to remove these sections. So we can just click on add section. We can go for editorial, for example, which is more like an image with text. And if we click on that, we can now specifically select an image for the product that we have in mind. And we can just go ahead and start adjusting our text and highlighting exactly what we want to say about it. We can even change the media position to right. So it's, a little bit different from the top here. And we can again just change the color scheme of it. Then again, we can just feel free to add another section. For example, I went for this one. Again, you can just feel free to click on it and change this to left to right, and you can adjust the text and the image. Now, as you have already noticed, I'm not the best with the design, but you get the idea. I'm just trying to show you exactly how it works. So now we're not done yet for this, so we can just click on save from the top right. And in order to make this template actually work on our product, which is the red product in this case, we simply just want to exit out of the editor, go to products, select the product that we want, and then we just want to scroll down and change the theme template for that product to become the new one that we have just created specifically for this product. And now if we just view our online store, and if we visit the red one, we can actually see that it is going to be this custom template that we have just created. But if we go to the other one, which is the blue, is going to contain the default product page, which we also made some changes to. And this is it. So this is how to actually customize your product page. Some other things that I actually recommend that you do. For example, we can just go to the details section, add block. We can, for example, add the payment method icons like so. And that's just going to be added over here. And we can just move it down a little bit. And also something else that I highly recommend is that you do have a star rating platform like Judge Me, which is for free, you can use. And this way, people can actually review your products and it's going to showcase here in the product page. Just like that. So this is pretty much it for this video. Obviously, design-wise, I did not do the best job because I'm not really good with designing. But you get the idea on how to customize this now, and you can customize the default product page and also create a custom one for specific products. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.